I vaguely went over Twitter in my social media for VTubers video, but since this is a main platform for VTubers, I wanted to go more into depth of what it is and shed some light on things I wish I knew going into it. Twitter is all about showing things off, pictures, videos, memes. Twitter is a place you find something to go, hey, check this out, to your friend. So if you plan on just posting when you're going live, you're not going to be seeing much growth. As a VTuber, you have an avatar. Take advantage of this and make posts using it. Make your own memes, draw them a lot, use some of the many free assets out there, check out my copy for a bunch of free ones, to make specialized thumbnails for your streams, or just have fun with it like a kid discovering stickers. Twitter is known for its toxicity. There are many people on this platform there just to spread hate and start controversy. Even if you surround yourself and the people you like, someone somewhere may retweet or like something having to do with one of the many dramas happening across Twitter. And in all honesty, drama is tiring. Since it's such a thought-provoking topic, it will sap away your energy just thinking about it, let alone interacting with it. To avoid this, there are a number of people who just post and leave. But if you do this, you lose out on some social interaction that can be fun and positive. There are many Vtuber supporters out there, and I'll share some of them in the description below. What these people do is, like in retweet posts, that you put a certain hashtag in or at them in to help small VTubers get themselves out there. While I cannot say I've ever gotten a huge help using the Vtuber support groups, it's nice to see that a post has at least one like on it compared to none. Let's talk about tags. I shared in my last video that over tags don't really do much for growth unless a post is trending or you want people to know that you've made it for a specific topic. You don't really need tags. For example, if you're an artist, you can use tags like art, artist, anime, watercolor, etc. These tags may help for initial discovery, but overall, people will retweet stuff that they like. People don't plan for certain posts to blow up, they just do, regardless of tags. People follow if they truly like what you do. If they scroll through and see dragons, tacos, humidifiers, they won't get a good picture of the kind of content you're falling for. But if you post dragons and only dragons, they'll understand that's your thing, and if they like it, they'll follow you for it. As a VTuber, you have to set up a certain aesthetic around you so people know what kind of person you are. Since I'm a bear tuber, I retweet cute pictures and videos that I find of bears. Since I'm an artist, I post my art using my own hashtag for people who want to see my art without scrolling through my entire Twitter page. All in all, these are just some things from my experience using it. Everyone is different and comes from different places, so it might work different for you. If you think I missed something important or just want to share your Twitter experience, feel free to tell me in the comments or pop into one of my streams. More VTuber videos to come, so I'll see you next time. Bye bye!